Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Car Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary muscle cars of all time, the 1970 Ford Mustang. A true icon of American automotive history, this car was built for power, style, and speed. If you're a fan of classic muscle, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. The 1970 Mustang was part of the first-generation lineup, refining everything that made the 1969 model great. Ford introduced subtle but bold styling changes, giving the Mustang a more aggressive and refined look. The front end featured a cleaner, more defined grille with a centered Mustang emblem, flanked by sleek headlights that gave it an unmistakable road presence. The body lines were sharp, the stance was wide, and the fastback design made it look like it was in motion even when parked. Under the hood, the 1970 Mustang came with a range of powerhouse engine options. The standard models featured a 250 cubic inch inline 6 or a 302 volts 8, but the real excitement came with the high-performance variants. The Mach 1 came with a 351 Cleveland V8, producing up to 300 horsepower, while the legendary Boss 302 and Boss 429 were built for pure performance. The Boss 429, in particular, was a beast, one of the most powerful Mustangs of its era, featuring a NASCAR-derived engine that delivered brutal acceleration and a roaring exhaust note that sent chills down your spine. The driving experience of the 1970 Mustang was nothing short of thrilling. With its rear-wheel drive setup, manual transmission options, and finely tuned suspension, this car was built to dominate both the streets and the track. Whether cruising down the highway or launching off the line at a drag strip, the Mustang delivered raw muscle car excitement. The handling was surprisingly tight for a car of its size, and with the right setup, it could carve through corners with impressive control. Inside, the 1970 Mustang blended classic muscle car simplicity with driver-focused features. The dashboard had a clean, functional layout with large circular gauges, giving the driver all the vital information at a glance. The seats were comfortable yet sporty, making long drives enjoyable. Optional features included wood-grain trim, high-back bucket seats, and a center console with a classic Hurst shifter. It wasn't about luxury, it was about pure American muscle. This Mustang wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It embodied the freedom, power, and rebellious spirit of the late 60s and early 70s. Whether it was tearing up the streets, starring in Hollywood films, or dominating the racetrack, the 1970 Mustang cemented its place in history as one of the greatest muscle cars ever built. Today, the 1970 Ford Mustang remains a dream car for collectors and enthusiasts. Prices have skyrocketed for well-maintained models, especially for the Boss and Mach 1 variants. Restored examples can fetch six figures, and original, numbers-matching cars are highly sought after. But no matter the price, one thing remains true: owning a 1970 Mustang means owning a piece of American muscle car history. That's it for today's review. If you love classic cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car content. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Mustang of all time? Thanks for watching USA Car Review, and I'll see you in the next video.